What is the use of doing exercise? Most of you guys will say to be healthy, to stay fit, or to have a great body. But others won't even think about exercising simply because they don't have time. But what if I told you that you could be paid simply to exercise, even to be paid while you're walking? Hey there, it's Joyce and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you 4 apps and programs that pay you while you're exercising or walking. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys so that you can have a look at those apps and programs. The first app is called Achievement. This app records your healthy activities by linking itself with the other apps in your phone. The healthy activities are walking, meditating, jogging, and others, and rewards you with points. It even gives you rewards for your fitness tweets in Twitter. So the Achievement app will give you fitness activities to complete, and once you do it, you earn points. So for every 10,000 points, you can cash out $10 via PayPal. The minimum amount to cash out is $10. Also, for every 5,000 steps you take, you earn 25 points. This app has already paid over $500,000 to the users. Achievement is currently available in the US. The second app is Healthy Wage. Okay, Healthy Wage, guys, it's a fitness app that pays you when you're trying to lose weight. In this app, if you want to get money, you need to bet on yourself. Yes, bet on yourself. Having some of your money on the line sure makes you want to lose that weight and get more money in return. So, how does it work? Good. First, you decide what is the targeted weight you want to achieve and calculate the amount of weight you are betting to lose. You will be given a scale, also known as the calculator, to select your desired weight loss number. Now, I tried it in my phone. There's an app over there. You can have a look. You can download it. You will also be shown an estimate of your rewards. That is the cash prize that you will be receiving if ever you manage to succeed in losing that weight you mentioned. Now, you will be given the option to choose the number of months you're willing to take to achieve your goal, as well as the amount of money you will be betting on yourself. Okay, on my phone, I fooled around with the app to find out how I can make more money. So I found out that the more weight I plan to lose, the longer the duration for the weight loss is, and the higher the amount of money I'm betting on myself. These 3 increase the amount of cash I could receive. The awesome thing is they pay via PayPal. Yeah, many people like PayPal. However, if you don't need the challenge or bet, that is, if you fail to lose the desired weight, you will have to say bye-bye to your money. The third app is Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is an app that pays you in virtual or digital currency known as Sweatcoins. For every 1,000 steps you make, guys, you will be paid 0.95 Sweatcoins. So the more you walk, the more Sweatcoins you earn. With these Sweatcoins, you are able to buy offers in the app. Each day the offers inside change, but once any offer piques your interest, you can buy them. Example are magazine subscriptions, yoga classes, and sometimes iPhones or Apple Watches. Isn't that sweet? There are also users that are willing to pay you cash to buy your Sweatcoins. So even if you don't find a suitable offer, save up those Sweatcoins and look for a good opportunity to sell them. And if you want to know how much it's worth, then let's do a little math here. You can buy 20,000 Sweatcoins for 1,000 US dollars. Therefore, one Sweatcoin is 1,000 divided by 20,000, which is 5 cents. There is a trial membership inside the app that helps make more sweat coins too. And if you watch an ad over there, you will receive one sweat coin. You will receive one additional sweat coin. Okay. In overall, sweat coin is a good way to make extra money while you're walking. This app is currently available in the US, UK, Ireland, Canada, and other countries. And if you guys are using it and are from countries I haven't mentioned, please do tell us in the comment below. Number 4 is Dietbet app. Now, this Dietbet program or app allows you to earn money by losing weight. So there are games inside with their goals, and once you decide which goal you want to achieve, just find a game on the app and join it. You can participate in a game with random players, or you can make your friends and family join and compete with them as well. Remember that the more the players, the bigger the pot and the bigger is the potential winnings. Once you join a game, you will need to do a weigh-in. For each official weigh-in, you will have to submit a full-length photo of yourself standing on a scale in lightweight clothing and another picture of the number on the scale with a unique weigh-in word that changes daily. This is used as a timestamp. Now, those photos of yours will be private unless you choose otherwise. Sometimes, due to suspicions of fake plays, videos of your weigh-in can be asked, so feel free to do so. And at the end of the game, all the winners, that is, all who achieved the goal, will split the pot evenly. It's completely legit, guys, because they have already paid over $62 million to the winners. Now, even though you won't be making massive amount of money with this app or these apps, you will be getting healthy if you exercise, so it's a win-win. Now, as I said, these 4 methods will make you money, but it's little and will take much time to achieve your estimate money amount that you want. But if you're looking to make more money online, do check out my number 1 recommendation and my free 4 days training in the description box below. So if you liked this video, please leave me a comment and tell me what you think. And also do hit the thumbs up button and subscribe, as well as hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on videos like this one. It's been fun. Thank you. Bye bye. See you on the next video.